Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Fubo free trials, SEPs, subscription, or anything you have with them. So before I begin with this video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So the cancellation process is pretty simple. So to cancel FuboTV online, you have to go to FuboTV website, log into your account, click Your, select My Account, select Subscription and Billing, click Cancel Subscription, and then click OK to confirm the cancellation. And right after you click Cancel Subscription, you might be given an option to pause subscription instead, or to stay on FuboTV subscribe in exchange for a discount. Now if you decide to pause the subscription, you'll be taken back to your My Account page, where you can choose the length of time you want your account paused. If you choose discounted offer, click Redeem, and if it is enticing for you, just ignore it. To cancel it, again, sign into your Roku account to view your subscriptions, click Unsubscribe, and then click Yes to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. You can also cancel FuboTV subscription using your Roku device. Press Home on your Roku remote, use the pad to remote the Roku channel, press the Start button on the remote, select Manage Subscriptions, cancel subscription, and then confirm again, and then that's it. To do it on Apple TV, go to Settings, Accounts, Subscriptions, Manage Subscriptions, FuboTV, and then just click Select Cancel Subscription. If you want to do it on your iPhone or Android, again, these are the steps you need to follow. And if you want to cancel the free trial you have, click Cancel Free Trial and then click Yes and Trial. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.